United Nations Day. The United Nations officially came into existence on October 24, 1945. Since 1948, United Nations Day has been celebrated every October 24. The United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 after the Second World War to maintain international peace and promote human rights. The major organizations of the UN are the Secretariat, the Security Council, and the General Assembly. The UN began with 51 countries and is now comprised of 193 member states. The United Nations logo consisting of the map of the world inscribed in a wreath of crossed stylized olive tree branches. The Secretariat is the administrative center of UN operations and is headed by the Secretary General, who is the Director of the United Nations. On February 2, 1946, Norwegian statesman Trygve Lie was elected as the first Secretary General of the United Nations. United Nations official languages are Arabic, English, French, Mandarin, Russian, and Spanish. The UN Security Council has 15 members. There are 5 permanent members: the United States, the Russian Federation, Britain, France, and China, and 10 temporary members. For the betterment of our world, all the countries of United Nations have agreed on a joint plan for sustainable development. But for this plan to work, we need to cooperate. In September 2015, the General Assembly adopted the 2030 Agenda for the Sustainable Development, which includes the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. The goals include no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitization, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace and justice, strong institutions, partnerships for the goals. So let's unite together and wish UN to reach their goals for the betterment of our world beyond the borders. Thank you.